I say, well, smack the gap. Well, now we got a problem maximum flood that we designed for on our federal dams, so that excuse doesn't work anymore. Negligence, of course, you never want to really be in that situation. There's one thing that's interesting is these design alternatives, you know, so if somebody said, well, you could have built a dam this way, but you didn't, and it kind of makes you look negligent. So like if we go back to how we designed these dams and how they came in existence, a lot of them had different alternatives at one point. You know, we could have built a dam a mile upstream, a mile downstream, or something, spillway on the other side of the dam, and different alternatives. So those come back to haunt us. You know, we can get back to the owner of the dam. But the one on the bottom there is the one that's the most interesting. There is strict liability. And basically, the way we understand it today is if you own a dam and you have off-site consequences, because it was considered like a hazardous structure, and we knew that it could incur off-site damages, it doesn't matter what your excuse is, you still have liability. So as the federal government, when we operate these storage reservoirs, something we kind of accepted that we're going to have liability, yes. If we have off-site consequences, it's going to come back to us one way or another. And so, of course, the emergency action plan there's two parts of that. One is to avoid dam failure in the first place, if you recognize it early and stop it. The other thing is to minimize consequences if something doesn't happen.